friends, welcome to TubeReview. In today's video, I will show you quick unboxing of Sony HT-RT40 home theater speaker system. The box is in the L shape. The contents in the box, which includes soundbar speaker, subwoofer, tall rear speaker, remote control and HDMI cable. So let's get started with the unboxing. This Sony speaker comes with 5.1 channel with 600 watt power output. It has features like Dolby Digital, easy setup in seconds, wireless listening and smart playback. If you are looking for a perfect value for money, then this is the home theater system you should go with. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel.